Okay, hey guys, welcome to my presentation for Avon Customer Support Agent. My name is Kwame and let's get straight into it. So the plan for today, we're just going to be discussing the problem and what prompts me to create this solution that I've made, the proposal, which is the actual solution with the steps. In-depth slides as to the steps I took, along with the tools used. I'll walk you through a demo and what's next? What's next with this project? So just who am I? Quality largely has started SW budget. Participated in the hackathon. Basically completed around four or in progress four projects relating to full stack, and AI and machine learning engineering. During my time here at Head Start. Um, yeah. So the problem: who is Avon exactly? Many may not actually know about Avon. And even if they were to inquire about Avon, in the digital age, seldom anyone is interested in reading long information. And also if they want to speak to actual customer support, say if they have like, some issues or whatnot, or or concerns, speaking to an actual person may give them anxiety, right? So, what's the solution? Just create an AI customer support agent for, Avon. And the steps, scrape information from Avon, embed information to the database, confirm retrieval from information by querying Avon from the terminal test. And if successful, we'll connect it to the Next.js front end for complete user experience. Our accomplishments, well, I did complete the web scraping with Exa.ai, whereby I gathered information from Avon.com. I did add vector storage in Python, Pinecone. I did create an Ask Avon AI function, which will get the user question, right? Generate embedding query Pinecone for top 5 relevant chunks, basically the data that was gathered from those websites, relevant websites with Avon. Feed chunks and query into OpenAI with custom prompt and return concise context-aware answer. And this is, where the OpenAI came in. Front-end chat interface. This is what I intended to do. However, as we'll see, it didn't necessarily turn out as well. But basically, I use a command line test interface first, and then my intentions are to actually, show the front-end chat interface which use the Next.js and Typescript. But anyway, it's time to actually show you the demo. So I'll just be showing you a couple of things. One, that's actually where I'll be testing it. As you can see, I did not deploy this. As you can see, it's actually running on a port. But I do intend to deploy it in the future. But anyway, should I run Python query underscore avon.py, we'll actually see, okay, yeah, my command line interface, workflow is actually here. So if I ask, okay, what is Avon, right? Now, it may take a while. Avon cards are arranged by Avon Financial Incorporated. Okay, now this is technically correct, and I know this because I actually, have some knowledge on Avon. So to an extent, this actually works. The response could be better. All right, and so here we actually have the UI. Now, if I ask what is Avon, for whatever reason, no response, no response. So it actually is unsuccessful. Let's go back to my presentation. So challenges consistently receive errors when trying to connect to the front end. As you can see, time constraints and inability to be defined in the UI. I'm able to embed voice AI, which would take this up a notch and can actually make it seem as if you're talking to someone, a real life human being. And unable to fully deploy product. As you saw, it's on local hosts. So I use prompt engineering, LLM integration, vector DBs, Pinecone, and full stack development. That'll be it. Thank you for your time, and I hope to actually improve this